Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to unfollow fast using an Instagram unfollow app. If you're familiar with Instagram, there's no efficient, easy way to unfollow people quickly. I did create this dummy account. If I go into Instagram here, called it John Smith 884, and I've started following 36 people just to show you how this unfollow app works. So you're going to want to head over either to the Google Play Store or the App Store and search for Cleaner 2020 for Instagram. There it is. Now there's plenty of different apps you can use to unfollow, but it's been my experience a lot of them have bugs and they just crash, they don't work properly. But this one at the top here is called Unfollow and Cleaner for Instagram. I find it works really well. So you're going to want to download this, which I've already done. Once it's downloaded, you're going to want to open it and then select Login. It's going to give you a little warning there. You say OK, and you're going to want to sign in using your Instagram username and password. Bear with me here. Smith884 and password. Now once you log in here, it's going to gather all your followers. Here's the 36 that I have. Now because this is a free app for the time being, there's ads that are being displayed here at the bottom, as you can see. Now you can unfollow 10 users at a time by just selecting unfollow 10. And it takes about 30 seconds to unfollow 10, which is not that efficient. However, you can select... Oh, there was an ad that was played there, but here we go. 10 has been removed. But you can select down here in the bottom right, unfollow 100 users, but you need to upgrade to the Pro version, which costs $1.49, as you can see here, which isn't that bad, because depending if you have hundreds or thousands of followers, it's just going to take you a lifetime to unfollow. So it's worth $1.49 to upgrade and buy this, and then you can unfollow 100 people at a time and really get through your list. So I hope you found this video informative. If you did, please give it a like, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.